In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add text over images GIFs at card tutorial. Now, to add text over images or GIFs on, you'll need to use a combination of cards feature and potentially a third-party tool. So firstly, you just have to create a container. You must start by adding a container element to your card site. So to do that, you just have to click on this pencil-like icon right here and wait for everything to load. Everything is loaded, to add a container element, all you have to do is to go up and click on this plus icon right here and select this container element right here. Now you can set the background for this specific container. You must select the container and go to the appearance. You can also drag a text element into the container. It will appear on the top of the background as well. Adjust the text position within the container using cards built-in controls or by adding custom CSS. So by using a third-party tool, you must use a tool like Canva or Adobe to overlay text onto your image or GIF directly. Once the text is added, save the image or GIF and upload it to the card as a regular image element. Unfortunately, Card doesn't directly support text overlaying on images or GIFs within the editor. You need to either use containers or pre-process the image or GIF. You can also consider upgrading to Card's Pro Standard or higher to utilize custom CSS as well. So that's how to add text over images or GIFs, a card tutorial. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.